Hey fellow cooks, here's a short video highlighting the major steps involved with making your own butter at home. In addition, I'm going to quickly highlight what it takes to do DIY cultured butter. What's cultured butter? Long story short, it's butter that uses favorable bacteria to transform and elevate everyday butter. For much more detail on this, check out What Eric Made podcast episode number 25. There's a link in the description below to the episode. After we've gone through the work of culturing our cream for our homemade butter, the first step is to churn the cream. This involves breaking the fat and water emulsion that cream is, making the fat molecules in the cream bang against each other enough so that their outer membranes are disrupted and they begin to separate from the liquid part of the cream. Once we've successfully broken the emulsion and can see distinct flakes of fat and separate liquid, it's time to strain the mixture. Here I'm using a couple layers of cheesecloth to do this. Once in the cheesecloth, the butter fat is squeezed together into a single ball while the buttermilk, yes, that is genuine buttermilk that comes out of the cheesecloth, falls through into the bowl. This buttermilk is a great byproduct of butter making and should definitely be reserved for future uses. This is a perfect excuse to crank out a batch of homemade pancakes or biscuits. The butter is then placed into an ice water bath to help it harden before the next step. Once partially hardened in the ice water bath, the last step is to extract out as much of the remaining liquid buttermilk as possible. This will ensure that once we're done, we have a butter that is as free of liquid as we can get it. And finally, we're ready to eat. The butter is finished with some salt and it's ready to go. Use it on those pancakes or biscuits you've made with that reserved buttermilk and you surely won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, everyone. Again, if you're interested in learning more about cultured buttermilk, check out the link below to podcast episode number 25, or you can also check out the socials on the Facebook or Instagram, and there's the What Eric Made site itself at whatericmade.com. See you next time.